Ignition. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
The ambitions of a new generation continuing the dream.
Flying crew on board Dragon and Falcon 9, and look at them go. Back engine ready to light. That'll come at about 2:44 into flight.
So let's go into this question. What is the root of fear? Is it thought? Thought being the accumulated memories born of knowledge, experience, and thought born of knowledge, and knowledge being limited, so thought is limited. Is fear subjectively first, inwardly first? Is that fear born of thought? Thinking about tomorrow, thinking about what might happen. One's wife may run away. Thinking in terms of not the actual present, but in terms of the future or the past. Is that the cause of fear? Thought. If it is the cause of fear, which the speaker says is, and please don't accept it, then what will you do with thought? And then I ask one asks, is there another cause of fear? Time. Time is a movement, a series of movements. And those time, which is tomorrow, I might lose my job. I might become blind. I might, all the rest of it, tomorrow. So time is a factor of fear, right? So time and thought are the roots of fear.